Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our last class of the grammar, we have discussed, children, about the singulars and plurals. What we have discussed, singular, plural. Singular means one thing, Nana, and plural means more than one thing. సింగులర్ అంటే ఒకటి, ప్లూరల్ అంటే ఒకటి కన్నా ఎక్కువ, మోర్ దాన్ వన్ థింగ్. And I have explained to you about the plurals, some plurals. Once revise, see children. Book, book, books. Hand, hands. Pen, pens. Table, tables. Wall, walls. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. Branch, branches. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Baby, babies. City, cities. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Story, stories. Boy, boys. Day, days. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Buffalo, buffaloes. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. The day we have learned about the plurals with yes, plurals with ies, plurals with es. Now today we are going to learn plurals with vs. See children, a word which ends with f or fe, f or fe, it replaces f or fe with ves. Suppose shelf, SHELF, shelf. దేంతో ఎండ్ అయింది నాన్న? ఎఫ్ తోటి ఎండ్ అయింది. సో వెన్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ ద ప్లూరల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీప్లేస్ విత్ ఎఫ్ విత్ విఎస్. షెల్స్. వెరీ ఈజీ. ఓకే. సపోజ్ వైఫ్, WIFE, వైఫ్. Whenever we are writing the plural with f or fe at the end, children, we have to replace f or fe with IES. Here you replace FE nana with IES. WIVES, wives. Same way thief, THIEF. End ఏముంది నన్న? F ఉంది. ఏంతో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి? VEF. THIEVES, thieves. ఓకే. నైఫ్, KNIFE, నైఫ్. ఎండ్లో ఏముంది నాన్న? FE ఉంది. Replace FE with VES. KNIVES, knives. Okay. Few more. Wolf. Very good. Wolf. Let us take wolf nana. WOLF, wolf. What is at the end nana? F. When we are replacing F nana, we to write the plural, we have to replace it with VES. WOLVES, wolves. So in this way, the word which ends with f or fe, replace f or fe with ves. This is another model to write the plural nouns. And some plurals are formed in an irregular manner. Suppose child, children. ఇవి మనం గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాల్సిందే, తప్పదు. వీటికి ఏం రూల్ ఉండదు. Child, children. Foot, feet. No rule nana, we have to by heart. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Next children. Ox, oxen. Next children. Women, women. So children, in this way plurals are formed in an irregular manner. What we have learned, plurals can be formed by adding s, or they can be formed by adding es, or they can formed by adding ies or ves, or they can be formed with in an irregular manner. Now children, we will discuss how to change the plural into singular, singular into plural. Before to that, just revise once again the words given to you in your textbook. Book, books. Hand, hands. Pen, pens. Table, tables. Wall, walls. bench, benches, box, boxes, branch, branches, brush, brushes, watch, watches, baby, babies, city, cities, fly, flies, lady, ladies, story, stories, boy, boys, day, days, key, keys, monkey, monkeys, toy, toys. Next one, buffalo, buffaloes, mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes, calf, calves, knife, knives, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, child, children, foot, feet, man, men, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, women, women. Now children, first we will learn to give the plural of the given word. How to write the plural forms of the given word. That is our first Roman in the given exercise. We will discuss Roman wise Nana. Okay. Few words I'll discuss from each Roman. Okay. They gave us ox. Next they gave box. Next they gave monkey. Next they gave toy. They told us to give the plural form for the given words. Pen, women. Next Nana they gave knife. Knife they gave. Next they gave bench. Next they gave wolf. Next they gave fly. Next they gave city. Next they gave wall. Okay, in this way they have given us the words to write the plural form. Ox, already we have learned children, oxen. Ox plural, oxen. Box, boxes, x before vowel, boxes. This is we have to add yes. Monkeys. Toy plural nana, toys. Simply adding yes. Pen plural nana, pens. Women, women. Knife, F-E-V-E-S, we have to replace. K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Bench, benches. Wolf, wolves. Fly, flies. City, cities. Wall, walls. So in this way I have given you the plural form of the given singular word. Once revise, then we will go for the next Roman. Ox plural, oxen. Box plural, boxes. Monkey plural, monkeys. Toy plural, toys. Pen plural, pens. Women plural, women. Knife plural, knives. Bench plural, benches. Wolf plural, wolves. Fly plural, flies. City plural, cities. Wall plural, walls. Sometimes children they'll give us the plural form and they'll tell us to write the singular form. So you should not be confused in that. Let us see how to write the singular for the given plural word. Okay. Singular for the given plural word. See children, table. What is the tables? What is the singular form? Yes, you have to remove table. Next children, mangoes. What is the plural Nana? Mango. Okay. Next Nana, branches. Branch. Next children, thieves. Thieves. Thief. Next children, stories. story. Next, teeth. What is that? Tooth. Next, nana, keys. Key. Men. Man. In this way, I have given you the singular word for the given plurals. What is this Roman, Nana? What is our next Roman? What we have discussed? We have discussed for the singular for the given plural forms. See children once. Table. Tables. Singular table. Mangoes. Mango. Branches. Branch. Thieves. Thief. Stories. Story. Teeth. Tooth. Keys. Key. Men. Man. Now sometimes they will give the sentence to write the plural form. Before to write the plural form of a given sentence, children, let us discuss how to write. Few rules you have to, few things you have to learn. What you have learned in the first class, just I will revise you once. See children, what we have learned in the first class, this is used for the near singular object. Suppose this is a ball which is singular and it is near to you, we can use this. And this is used for the near objects in plural form. Near objects in plural form అంటే ఎక్కువ, ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ అంటే plural form లో ఉంటే మనం these వాడతాం. ఓకే, that is used for the far objects. ఓకే, దూరంగా ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ కి that వాడతాం నాన్న. అదే plural లో ఉంటే those, that plural will be known as those. This we have learnt in the first class. One more thing, is a plural what nana? Are. Is a plural are. Next, was a plural were. Was a plural were. This a plural these. To write the statements in the plural form, you have to be careful with these. That plural those. So these are the minimum rules. These are the minimum rules, Nana, for, to write the plural form of a given statement. So today just we will write the singulars to the plurals. Okay, I am keeping those rules there side. They gave, I will write 5 statements, Nana. This is a toy. First one. Second one, this is an ox. Second one. Okay, Nana. Third one, this is a mango. Three sentences with this, then 3 sentences with these, that. Now I am writing the plural form of the given sentence. This plural, what we have discussed, these are toys. These are toys. Again, this plural, what I have told to you, these is plural are, and ox plural oxen. Okay children, this plural these. Okay, is a plural are. A mango plural mangoes. Okay, in this way I have told you how to write the plural form of a given sentence with this. Now let us see with that. What happens if that is given to you, and we will conclude today class here. Okay. That was a pencil. Second one, that was a wolf. Third one, that was a potato. So these are the 3 sentences which I am going to explain to you. Now that plural, what we have discussed, those. Was plural, were. A pencil, pencils. Those were pencils. Okay. That plural again, those. Was plural again, were. Wolf plural, wolves. Okay. That plural, those. Was plural, were. Potato plural, potatoes. Okay, in this way I have told you how to write the singular to plural, plural to singular, and we have today discussed only about the singular statement to the plural statement. Tomorrow we will discuss, children, plural statement to the singular statement and more about the singulars and plurals. Okay children, have a nice day all of you.